Sure. Here's a YouTube video review script for the GUGO BOX 2025, written in a natural, engaging tone without any headings. The moment you lay eyes on the GUGO BOX 2025, it's clear this isn't just another electric vehicle. It's a statement. Wrapped in a sleek, ultra-shiny gray finish, this luxury EV sedan has a presence that turns heads before the engine even hums to life. And yes, it hums, because this is electric performance done right. Step up to the front, and you're greeted with a bold grille design that seamlessly blends into the LED matrix headlights, giving the car an aggressive yet refined look. The aerodynamic lines flow effortlessly from front to back, and the attention to detail is truly next level. Even the charging port feels premium, hidden behind a smooth, motorized panel. Slide inside, and you're instantly surrounded by pure luxury. The cabin feels more like a first-class lounge than a car. Soft touch leather seats, real metal accents, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. It's an immersive experience. But the real star here? The dashboard.GUGO has completely reimagined the interface. A massive curved digital display stretches across the dash, merging your instrument cluster, infotainment, and climate control into one seamless, intuitive screen. Voice controls are responsive, the haptic feedback is spot on, and the onboard AI assistant actually feels helpful. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, or rather, what's under the floor. Dual electric motors deliver instant, torque and whisper-quiet acceleration. With over 500 horsepower and an estimated 0-60 in just under 4 seconds, this sedan moves like a sports car but rides like a dream. Thanks to adaptive suspension and sound-dampening tech, the cabin remains calm even at high speeds. One of the standout features is the smart navigation system, which uses real-time data and AI prediction to plan your routes, adjust for traffic, and even recommend charging stops with estimated wait times. And yes, it supports ultra-fast charging, up to 80% in just 18 minutes. Rear passengers aren't left out either. The back seats recline, there's a touchscreen center armrest, and even personalized climate zones. You can tell GUGO wanted every seat to feel like the best seat in the house. Driving through a luxury shopping mall or parked under spotlights, the GUGO BOX 2025 commands attention. It's not just a car. It's a showcase of what happens when design, technology, and performance come together without compromise. In short, if you're in the market for a luxury EV that pushes boundaries while keeping you wrapped in comfort, the GUGO BOX 2025 deserves a top spot on your list. It's more than futuristic. It's already here. Let me know if you want a shorter version, a voiceover style read, or background music suggestions too.